Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to online classes of Sri Ram Public School. I am your SST teacher and today we are going to do exercise of chapter 14 transport. First exercise is given in your book is multiple choice question. Take the correct answer. Are made of coal, tar, gravel and cement. Which is made of coal, tar, gravel and cement? It is road. You have to take here road. Roads are made of coal, tar, gravel and cement. Second, the oldest road in India is NH19. It is also called Grand Trunk Road. NH19. You have to take here NH19. The oldest road in India is NH19. You have to take here. Third, the first railway line ran between Boribandar and in 1853. First railway line ran between Boribandar and Thane. You have to take here Boribandar and Thane. First railway line ran between Boribandar and Thane in 1853. The Indian Railways network is largest in Asia and the dash. Second and fourth. You have to take here second and fourth. The Indian Railways network is second largest in Asia and the fourth largest in the world. You have to take here second and fourth. Now come on fifth. Indian mainland has a long coastline of 5,423 kilometer. You have to take here Indian mainland has a long coastline of 5,423 kilometer. Let us see. Fill in the blanks. The project connects the 4 metropolitan cities. You have to fill here. Golden Quadrilateral. Golden Quadrilateral project connects the 4 metropolitan cities. Second, the multi-modal transport system has been introduced in Hyderabad. You have to write here. The multi-modal transport system has been introduced in Hyderabad. Is the international airport in Delhi. International airport in Delhi is Indira Gandhi International Airport is in New Delhi. Fourth, The invention of made transport easy. Invention of the wheel. Invention of the wheel made transport easy. Let us see. Fill in the blanks. First, the Golden Quadrilateral project connects the 4 metropolitan cities. Second, the multi-modal transport system has been introduced in Hyderabad. Third, Indira Gandhi International Airport in Delhi. And the invention of the wheel made transport easy. Let us see, match the following. First, air travel in 1903. You have to match with first air travel 1903. Second is given coal. Coal is used for the steam engine. You have to match with coal is used for the steam engine. Cargo ships. Cargo ships carry goods. Cargo ships. Cargo ships are used to carry goods. You have to match with carry goods. Haldia. Haldia is a seaport. You have to match with seaport. And fifth, Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport is situated in Mumbai. You have to match with Mumbai. Let us revise our match the following. First, air travel start in 1903. Second, coal is used for steam engine. Cargo ships used for carry goods. Haldia is a seaport. You have to match with seaport. And Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport is situated in Mumbai. That's all for today. And you have to complete all exercise in your book. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.